In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make over $900 online from simply listening to music. And I'm going to show you how you can do this even as a complete beginner with no experience. All you need is your computer or your smartphone. But before I show you how you can do that, comment your country down below. And that way, I'll know exactly where you're from, so in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. So I'm going to show you how you can make over $900 online from simply listening to music. And if you stay until the end of the video, I'll show you a bonus website that can make you even more money. So if you ever wanted to make money listening to music, smash that like button, watch the full video, and follow along step by step. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is go to this website. It's called SoundCloud.com. And if you just scroll down here, you will see some trending songs that the website will suggest for you. And you could also download the SoundCloud app into your smartphone. You could use Google Play, and it's also in the App Store, or you could just use your computer, whichever one is more convenient for you. And in just a moment, I'm going to show you how you can listen to songs just like these and earn $6 for every single song that you listen to. So if you just listen to 2 songs, you can earn $12. And if you listen to 4 songs, you can earn $24, and so on and so forth. And the good news is there's no limit to how many times you can do this. So you can make as much money as you want to. Now, if you scroll up here, you can go ahead and create your account, and it's really easy. Just click create account, and then you could continue with Facebook, Google, or you could use an email, and you would just click continue. And once you log in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. And as you can see, each song has its own category. So if we just scroll through here, and if you wanted to listen to a song, you would just click on it, and then it's going to open it up. And if you hit this little play button here, it's going to start playing. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you'll see more related songs. And now that you're kind of familiar with SoundCloud, the next website I want you to go to is MusicMatch.com. And then you want to scroll over here to top lyrics. It's going to pull up the lyrics to any song you could pretty much imagine. So if I go ahead and click on Taylor Swift, Anti-Hero, it's going to pull up the lyrics to the song. So now let's just scroll back up to the top. And if you look into the search bar, you can also put in any song that you like, or if you want to pull up the lyrics to any particular song, you can use the search bar. So for example, if we go back to SoundCloud and we just go into the search bar, and let's just say we're looking for Akon, and we want to pull up the lyrics to this song, we just pull it up and we just open it up here. Now the only thing I have to do is copy his name and go back over to MusicMatch, paste it into the search bar, and hit enter. And as you can see, it just pulled it up right here. So the only thing I have to do is open it up and hear the lyrics to that song also. So it's really as simple as that. You can find the lyrics to any popular song on this website. So let's try one more. Let's go back to SoundCloud, and then let's just click on another related video. Let's just say here, Rockabye Clean Bandit, and then I'll copy that and I'll go back to MusicMatch, scroll up to the search bar, paste that in, and enter. And as you can see, it just pulled up here for us. So let's open it up, and here we go. We have the lyrics to this song also. So basically what's happening is there's people that's listening to these songs on platforms like SoundCloud, and then they transcribe the lyrics, but they're also getting paid to do that. And now that you understand how the concept works here, this is the website that you're going to use to transcribe music into lyrics and make money. And as you can see, they'll pay you $1.50 per minute. That means if a song is 3 minutes long, you'll earn $4.50. And if it's 6 minutes long, you'll earn $9 per song. So just imagine how much you can make if you did 10 songs a day, or 20 or 30 songs a day. And the good news is you don't even have to transcribe these songs yourself manually. If you stay until the end, I'll show you a website that can actually help you transcribe these songs. So you don't even have to do the work yourself. And also, every single website in this video is completely free. If you guys are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. And the name of this website is rev.com. This website is 100% legit, and if you never heard about it before, it's trusted by 750,000 plus happy users. And as you can see here, there's different types of jobs that's available, like doing English closed captions. There's also global translated subtitles. And here you could get paid $5 to $12 per minute if you speak more than one language, or if you're bilingual. But that's another video in and of itself. It's just another option that you have if you are bilingual and you wanted to make more money. But I know a lot of people here only speak one language. So in this video, we're just going to stick with the audio and video transcription. And again, that's going to be $1.50 per minute. Now the only thing that you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of this page and you're going to click here, Become a Freelancer. And as you can see, this website will let you earn money from anywhere and anytime. So this is something that you could work on the side in your spare time in the comfort of your own home and earn an extra income. And if we scroll down here, you can see that you could work as much or as little as you like. So your schedule is really flexible. It's really up to you how much you want to earn. And then you can choose from hundreds of jobs that they have available on the site. You get paid weekly and you can get paid directly to your PayPal account. And if you scroll down a little bit, up under transcriptionist, just click Learn More. And then you just want to register, put in your first name, last name, your email, select your country, and then click Next. Now I'm going to show you a similar website to this one where you could double your earnings because it's really good to multiply your sources of income. It's really not the best idea to rely on one website alone. And this website is called GoldTranscript.com. And on this website, you can also transcribe music into lyrics and make money. And like I said, keep watching to the end because there's one website that's literally going to do all of the work for you. So you don't even have to do the transcription work yourself. And as you can see, this is how much you get paid to work or transcribe for this website. So if you want to, you can just look over the website a little bit just to get familiar with it. And once you learned a little bit about the website, you can just scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and go ahead and click Work. And then it's going to take you to this page. And these jobs are available worldwide, as you can see here. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can see that this is how much money that you can expect to make transcribing on this website. So as you can see here, 60 cents per minute. So if a song is 5 minutes long, it'll make you $3. And you could usually expect to earn anywhere between $150 to $1,215 a month on this website. And then there's a lot more information that you could find on this website if you just scroll down a little bit and look it over. So to apply to work on this website, the only thing you would do is just scroll up and click here where it says apply. And then you would just select your language. In this case, I'm just going to select English. And then you could choose the best option for you to sign up, whether it's with an email, you want to log in with Google or Facebook. And now that you signed up for both websites, I'm going to show you the final step. Basically, I'm going to show you how you can make lyrics automatically. And the website that we're going to use for that is going to be GoDashTranscript.com. And then what you want to do is just click here to create your account. Fill out your information and just click register. And then confirm your email. And then when you log in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. And then you just want to click on upload and you just want to double tap here. Now just open up any song and just click open. And then you would just scroll down and click on upload and transcribe. And it's going to transcribe the whole song for you. Now, even though this website is going to do all of the work for you, you do want to read the lyrics over just to make sure that there are no mistakes. Now, you're not going to get rich doing this. You're not going to make thousands of dollars from transcribing music on these websites, but you can still make some money. You can simply use these websites to make a few $100s and to gain some experience, which you can use later on bigger websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and other big websites. And you can really make a lot of money doing this. All you need is a little bit of experience because it's competitive. And while you're doing so, you can make a few $100s. And then you can later use that experience to work on bigger websites like Fiverr, start your own freelancing business, and really make a lot of money. And you're all set. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.